Hey, now I'm going to talk about how technology has helped us to understand where life came from and how living things evolved from those very early stages. Now, technology always helps science along. New science discoveries usually follow new discoveries in technology. One important aspect of knowing where life first came from is to be able to find out how old things are. If we find a meteorite on Earth, it's useful for us to know how long that meteorite has been there. If we find some fossils, it's good for us to know how old those fossils are. Now, this wasn't possible for very old things until we developed radiometric dating. Radiometric dating allows us to tell how old rocks are by what types of radioactive materials are in them. Radioactive elements decay at a very set rate, like a watch ticking every second. A radioactive element decays at a set pace, tick, 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 tick. Because of this, if we see where the radiation is up to, we can tell how old that rock is. Another important thing we need to be able to replicate our data in order to get reliable results. We've said that the conditions on Earth are good for creating organic molecules, but what about the conditions on other planets in space? To be able to see if other areas of space have organic molecules, we've developed telescope spectroscopy. Spectroscopy allows us to see what sorts of chemicals there are very far away from us. These chemicals release their own types of light that we can detect with our telescopes and tell what chemicals are actually there. So because of this, the more we develop our technology, the more we can understand all of science, but especially where life came from and how it evolved. But of course, we won't really know what happened unless we develop time travel.